This is Tuesday, the 3rd, day 29 for Tuesday, Thursday, week 15. So we only have 3 class sessions left. Cyber defense this weekend down at Ames, and I sent out a notice that has basic information about the trip. Scaling. We covered a few. They finished up some OSPF multi-area. We covered some tuning issues, and then the students worked on the lab. Thursday, for half of the class, we're going to work on the design, and then hopefully a week from Thursday, let me undo that, hopefully a week from Thursday, next Thursday, we can actually install our concept or configure it, however you might want to talk about it. Okay. I talked about different types of networks, point-to-point, non-broadcast, multi-access, like a frame relay, point-to-multi-point. That can also be out of a frame relay cloud. You have like the headquarters, and then you have these branches off there. Point to multi-point. Broadcast, like Ethernet. A bunch of routers connect to switch, what we talked about over here, and a virtual link. So if you're running OSPF, and here was area 0, and the only way this area could connect was be right here. Between these two routers, you can create a virtual link, so you can send the traffic across there, but it appears there that this is a border router to this OSPF area. That's why it's called virtual. We talked about DR, BDR, and the students, I think, finished this lab, which overemphasized how you have to manage the determination of a DR, BDR. And we ran through, the curriculum has that list you can go through that talks about that. One of the key points is once a router becomes a DR, you got to reset the processes for OSPF if you have another one that should be the DR. Okay, and then we have that group as priority number first, and they all default at 1, and then the router ID, and then if you didn't configure any router ID, it's going to look at loopbacks and then IP addresses. And really the loopback and IP addresses really give the router an ID. Okay, so they automatically create a router ID. So you can manually put in a router ID, but the best solution is setting the priorities on the interfaces of how you want that to occur. You just set it on those interfaces, how you want the priority to occur. So you can set, if you have a certain one you want, the higher the number, the better the priority. So you can set, if you have 1 for sure, you can set it at 255. You could set the backup actually as 1, and then set the rest of them at 0. If you set the priority to 0, then it will not be a DR or a backup. Or you have some combination of how you might do that in the order that you want those to occur, because just in case one of these go down, you don't want all the rest of them zeros. You want your next one in order to become when this one becomes the DR, let's just say, then you want another one of these, to become the BDR. So you can figure that out based on your routers and how your configuration exists. If you had a scenario like this, 2 Ethernets, and you had another group over here, this one could be the DR for one network and not the other. Alright, that's it.